conscious connected breathing is a term you often hear when you do like trauma releasing breath work, where you sort of release emotions and things like that stuck in your body. I did one yesterday, and I kind of understand the technique a bit better now that I want to describe, and maybe it'll help you understand it better as well. When we have unexpressed emotions in our body, our breath is also kind of skewed in a way, because imagine if it's like this is your perfect breath line, right? And then you have this like emotion stuck in there. If you breathe into that emotion inside of your body, you're naturally gonna trigger it, and it's gonna release in some sort of way. But if you don't feel safe in releasing that emotion, you'll actually kind of breathe in this like skewed fashion to avoid triggering the emotion. And then over time, maybe you have multiple blocks, and then your breath eventually gets all distorted and it becomes very short, and it's always up here, and you never breathe into your belly where maybe your emotions are. So what conscious connected breathing does, it's like the technique essentially, it's like you don't stop between inhale and exhale. When we have stuck emotions, we try and control our breath so it doesn't trigger the emotions, because we don't want to express them because it doesn't feel safe. So oftentimes we would hold our breath, whether it's inhaling or exhaling, in order to kind of slow it down before you go into the next cycle, so that you can sort of manually, in a way, avoid the emotion. But when you do conscious connected breathing, it kind of goes like up and down straight away without letting your mind any time to think. So you automatically start triggering the emotions that you normally would avoid in your breath. And then when you do that for long enough, it's like eventually you kind of like excavate this tube, and you sort of like push out, or you kind of squeeze out the emotions like a toothpaste stick. And then it starts releasing, and you do it long enough, then all your emotions and traumas and stuff start coming out. And that's why, in my opinion, is why it works. And once I kind of just realized that's what's happening, it made me be able to release my emotions a lot better. So yeah, I kind of wanted to just make this video to share it in case it helps anyone else.